When I first got my diagnosis of TB, I was scared. I was really scared because I thought it was the end of me.
I had the cold for the longest time, like it lasted for a month.
My eyes, my ears, there was pain in my body all over, every day.
When I got to the clinic, they told me, you can go with the treatment that everybody's getting, but we're developing this new drug to limit the time to be 4 months instead of 6 months.
After 3 weeks, I started feeling a lot of changes in my body. My appetite came back, I started eating, coughing, it went away.
The treatment was amazing. When you get in, they first greet you with smiles, they make you feel comfortable.
As a young person growing up in sub-Saharan Africa, I think almost everyone is either affected or infected with TB. People find it very difficult to take a lot of pills or taking that same amount of pills for a long period of time. Some treatment regimens have side effect profiles that have been difficult for people to tolerate. The aim has been to try and get drugs that will be as effective or better.
NC-009 is a TB treatment study, so we are trying to find, hopefully, a cure for TB that will be given at a shorter period of treatment so that there's better adherence to treatment and then there's less defaulting.
We have a community engagement team. These go into our communities, including our clinics, and they actually work out how, in partnership with the community, we are going to conduct new research. So at every step of the way, the community is involved in partnership with the work that we do.
My hope for the next 5 to 10 years is that we are able to get as many people as possible on regimens that are appropriate for them, short enough with less pill burden, and that have the highest amount of efficacy and better outcomes. I'm really hopeful that we will be able to then move on to a phase 3 study, which will then inform the licensure of this regimen as a universal regimen for treatment of tuberculosis.
A universal regimen would really be the gold standard. This would allow us to treat all patients, from patients who have drug-sensitive disease to the full spectrum of patients who have partial resistance, full resistance, and extremely drug-resistant tuberculosis. It just makes sense for us to have a single regimen. It would assist with cost. It would make managing tuberculosis a lot easier. It is definitely a goal which all of us would like to see.
If someone I knew had TB, I'll tell that person, don't panic. This is not the end of the road.
I now see myself having a second chance again to live my life healthy and the way I want.
Tuberculosis is a killer disease, and I think we need to keep that sense of urgency going. We cannot get these treatments into our clinics soon enough.